Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have a lot of random different things, but a lot of new summery, spring kind of stuff to share with you. So to start off, we got some paper products. I got some bath tissue. I got some of the cotton rounds for makeup removal. And I love the Assured brand cotton balls for nail polish removal. All great buys. And I got some food items. Now this is new to the Dollar Tree, and this is the Kool-Aid Sour Burst, the Watermelon Slam. We did try these. They are kind of sour, and they do taste like an artificial watermelon, but they're pretty good. And we picked up a bag of the Cheddar Sour Cream Baked Veggie Puffs, which we've had before, and they're really good. And then also the same thing with these. We've had these potato skins before, and we like them. They're cheddar and bacon. And the Puffs brand is Munch Rights. I did pick up this cute white wired basket. I really thought that was really cute. And I also picked up a teal kitchen towel. To go with that, I picked up a 2-pack of scrubber dishcloths. And they're also like a teal to match that. And I did get a 2-pack of pot holders, and it says the best things in life aren't things. So true. So that's a 2-pack of that. I did pick up some AA batteries because I picked up one of these little mini fans. They had these in pink and a minty color, and as well as this beautiful pastel purple. So I can't wait to try that. So I picked up some batteries for that. Also picked up one of the Karma candles that say frankincense and vanilla. And they had all kinds of cups and stuff, and I picked up this one that says Mom, and it's a tumbler with a straw. How beautiful is that one? So I picked that up. Oh, in the beauty aisle, I picked up another one of the coconut and rose oil face serum from Bolero. I'm really loving this, so you have to stay tuned to see what we're going to do with that one. And then I did pick up another one of these pink chill perfumes, the Touch of Pink by Lacoste. And this is really good. I got myself one, my nanny one, and now my mom. So it's a really good one. And then this is a new Revlon Sun Candy Polish I'm carrying now, and it's called Lava Flame. And it's kind of like an orange reddish, but I really love the glitter, so that's why I grabbed that. I still have some of these in my collection from years ago, and I still use them. So I picked up that one that I did not have. I found some new summery kind of things. I did get one pair of flip-flops. I'm really not a big fan of their flip-flops, but I love watermelon, and I definitely wanted this pair. And this seems to be a popular pair. They only had a few of these left in comparison to what they had with the others. And these are so adorable. And then I finally found the love sign. They had Brave and Peace and some other ones, but I really wanted love, and this was the last one. I finally found that for my shelf. Some new prints in the dish drying mats, and I got the starfish, bright, fun, colorful mat. I also got the kitchen towel to go with that for decoration, because I don't really like these for actual towels. But decorations, I love them. And then I prefer the non-microfiber kind of towels. And then this one says sit back and relax. And I just had to. Love the seahorses. They're so cute. A little bit of coral there and a sand dollar. And this is like an off-white beigey color. And how cute. So excited to find some of this new stuff. And then because I love turtles so very much, I picked up the chair pad that had the turtle print on it. I was hoping to find the dish drying mat, but they did not have it in the turtles at my Dollar Tree. But I found the chair pad, and I thought I would use this as my makeup chair. And then I found the turtle kind of like serving tray. So I picked that up. I would have probably picked anything up with the turtles on there. So cute and adorable, so colorful. And yes, that's my Dollar Tree haul. I didn't get a ton of items, but I still wanted to share because I was excited about the new summery kind of stuff I found. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls. Don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. And thank you so very much for watching. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.